Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we finally have got it. It's finally come down, and today it is the ITG filter. I've managed to get one second hand, so it's not brand new. But yeah, we're going to be unboxing it, seeing what the parts come with it. But yeah, this is, I've been waiting for this for ages. Also, because I know it's obviously second hand, I'm going to need the ITG cleaning kit as well. So I've got the cleaner and the oil, so we'll go through that as well. But yeah, let's get to it first. So first of all, we have the filter. It's in pretty good nick, I'm not going to lie. It is fantastic nick, in good condition, just needs a bit of cleaning. That's pretty much it. But yeah, that's the filter itself, as you guys can see. It's quite sturdy. Also got the pipe as well, which is, I suppose it's a trumpet. We have got the math sensor pipe as well. It's very good nick. Got it for cheap as well. So yeah, fantastic. Going to be cleaning all this as well. That's that. We got all the fittings for it. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's get cleaning. So guys, yeah. So this is the ITG filter cleaner. I will put the link in the description down below for this kit. So it comes with the cleaner and the oil for after. So what we're going to do, open it up. Open that bottle, put that in there. So when I get, you'll see a bucket of water. Spray it all around. Just so, after you finish cleaning it, you just want to let it dry. You can see the bucket inside, I'll show you. So literally, that's how bad it was. So guys, it's all done, it's all dry. I did obviously give it a quick dry with the hairdryer, but yeah, it's all clean. As you can see, the difference now is it's so much cleaner now. It is, yeah, so much cleaner. Before it was quite gunky and dirty and dusty, so I cleaned all of that. It's all done. It's all clean now. The last step to getting it all ready to put in the car is oiling it. The last step of finishing the cleaning of the air filter is the oil. So once you've done everything, you want to oil up, give it a good coat of oil, and then let it soak in, and then ready to fit the car. So that's all done. You oil it, you leave it for a bit, as you can see, oiled up. Just leave it for a bit. And yeah, that's a good. So that's all done. You oil it, you leave it for a bit, as you can see, oiled up. Just leave it for a bit. And yeah, that's a good. Just leave it out for a bit in the sun, getting it a bit dry, and then that's all done. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And I will be doing an install video very soon. Obviously, just have to show you oiling it and everything, so you can get ready just to fit in the car. But yeah, it looks quite good. Perfect. Yeah, that's it. It's quite good. yeah, now it's just oiling it all up, getting it ready to fit, and that's all done.
Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news